All right, this is an unboxing of the ManSpot body trimmer. I want to open it up. I'll do it at about 2x speed so you can see everything that's included, kind of see some of the functionality. Then I'll just throw in some extra thoughts along the way. So first of all, the packaging is very nice. Instructions and all that stuff is everything you would hope for. The highlights though are very rubbery, kind of tactile grip. It's not going to slip out of your hand, and then lots of features, lots of parts. The battery is fantastic. The ceramic blade is great. So speaking of, there's that ceramic blade. It's really sharp, stays sharp, and is more gentle on your skin. It doesn't pull hair, doesn't tug. Also, the charger I mentioned earlier, they say it goes for like 20 days. I mean, that's long enough to where like I don't even think about it. Like you just charge it and then forget about it. And then in here in about, like you said, 20 days, a month, whatever, it'll need charged again, but you just don't even think about it for a long time. So I know they do make some like docking stations, and that might be something that you'd want where you can just slide it into the docking station. I don't think I really need that. I have the USB-C. I'll just charge it every once in a while, and I just throw that in my travel bag. So it's really lasts for a long time. All right, like I said, there's lots of guards, different lengths, cables included, brushes included. Probably the one thing that I wish they would have included, not the end of the world, but a travel bag. That said, I've got bags galore from all different other things, so I'm already just using a different cloth bag from something else, but that would have been nice. The other thing is there's no oil that's included. It needs a little bit of like grease lubrication on the inside. I'll pop it open here in a minute and you can see it. But that would be kind of nice too, to have just a little bit of the oil, but that's something they can add into a future one. So anyway, all the stuff just pops on, pops off, works great. Oh, the other big feature is it is completely waterproof. Like take it in the shower, drop it in the sink. It is meant to be used in those ways. And so it's really good. So anyway, really quite pleased with this, very affordable. This was sent to me for a review. This is my review, just doing an unboxing, and I like it. But anyway, at the price and the functionality and the long charging and the sharpness and all of it. So yeah, I'm happy with it. There's that spot where the grease goes right there on that little brass piece, and it just helps it clip better. It's not the real big deal, but it would be nice to have that. And the bag, but other than that, fantastic.